Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be looking at the weirdest parts of a laptop charger that nobody seems to be talking about and what it actually means. This is nothing different from this. Everything here you've already seen it and you probably know their names. This is the AC port, the transformer, the DC cable, and then the DC adapter. Here is the AC plug, the power plug, the AC adapter, and the AC cable. Now, this is the direct components, the exact makeup of the charger, the several components and their names. Now, this is the main guy, not really in terms of performance, but this is what people don't really know about. Everything here has its own job and people really don't know what this means. This is called a ferrite bead or a ferrite choke. A ferrite bead in the sense that it is a module. This cylindrical stuff has a lot of work it is doing, and without this stuff a lot of things will go bad in the charger. Now the function of this ferrite bead is to provide a power source from your mains through the charger then directly to your laptop. This ferrite bead or ferrite choke stays here to prevent your charger from turning to an antenna. Now the ferrite bead is a magnetic material with a wire wound around it. That's how this came about. It's because of the way the wire was rounded around it and made in this cylindrical form that it appears like this. Now, without this, without the ferrite bead, this whole thing will turn to an antenna. Now, what do you mean by my charger turning to an antenna? Well, any long wire is obviously an antenna, which means it can potentially receive or transmit radio waves, and you wouldn't want your charger to be transmitting radio waves when it should be charging your laptop. Your charger can turn to a transmitter if there's a variation in the flow of electric current in any part of the charger, the DC part or the AC part, which is why this guy is here to prevent that from happening. Because of the way it was designed, the power coming from the mains to the DC adapter then directly to your laptop will not be converted to antenna because of the work of this guy. So the ferrite bead or the ferrite choke prevents your charger from turning to an antenna. That's just the function of it. So I believe you must have learned this today. See you in another video. Goodbye.